Okay, friends, here's a new chart. I'll clean it up. So I've been following this one for a little while. This is Helium, HNT. And this project was crazy popular for a little while. And it's because it was the most profitable mining you could do in the cryptocurrency space. You would get these HNT, these Helium miners, these hotspots. There's different brands that are approved by Helium, by HNT to start mining and creating the Internet of Things, People's Network, as they call it. And I did get a miner in April of this year, and it was wild. I mean, for 1 month, I think it mined around 10,000, equivalent of 10,000 US dollars, which was really fantastic. But since then, it's in my opinion, I wouldn't invest in one. The network has a lot more hotspots than it did at that time. I think I came in when there were around 20,000 hotspots worldwide, and now it's around 110,000. And we just had the halving, kind of like Bitcoin has its halving, and so now the rewards are cut in half, even for what they were, and they were not as great as they used to be. Still decent, but not great. I mean, before you could be earning $200 a day, and now if you have a good location with a lot of witnesses, you might get, you know, $10 a day if you have a great location, $5 a day if you have a great location. So by no means is it bad, because it's very low power output, but it's just the rewards are gonna continue to decrease. But anyway, looking here at the chart, we can see we've got a really solid bottom here, really solid support. I wouldn't say a bottom, support is a better word, at around $9.13. And then we just had a really, someone made a big purchase, and this kind of went ahead of the market. The market was just kind of teetering back and forth. There was some consolidation happening with Bitcoin, and there was a big buy volume here for Helium. But as you can see, these giant wicks, there's so many wicks in this chart, big wicks. There's a lot of sell pressure here around this $20 range. And so it's just been bouncing back and forth between $9 and $20 for a long time, March all the way up till today, where we are in August the 12th. So we've just been riding this range for a long time. If you look at this right here, you could say that we have broken out and we are on our way to something new, and that's possible. Although, when I see it, I'll believe it. So I think we'll just continue to ride this little triangle up here, and then we're going to need some really strong buy volume or some sort of news to break above this first 20 level, and then 21.5, and then we have our next spot up there at about $25.64. So yeah, gonna need some strong news, gonna need some sort of catalyst for a big move here out of this project. This is a project that is competing with AT&T, ultimately will be competing with AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, the large networks, and provide people, instead of the networks earning the income on providing the coverage, the people earn the income on providing the coverage. I think is a really powerful idea and a fantastic idea. I love seeing people, individuals empowered and earning based on their efforts, and as opposed to earnings going to large companies and shareholders. I think it's great to have like shareholders who are actually a part of the network earning and receiving benefit from it. So really cool project, and this was just a quick look at the chart. I hope that helps some of you, and I'll talk to y'all later.